when did this happen? Did Daddy sneak you guys out some watermelon? Is that good? Yeah? Well, we gotta get Pants a scoop, don't we? Hold on. Well, that's not a very good scoop. Sort of. Well, it's a couple bites. Alright, well, enjoy your watermelon. You got your own little piece over there, little mama. Well, here you go, baby. Daddy surprised everybody with watermelon. Look, it's already peeled and, well, I guess that wouldn't be peeled. Cored? I don't know what it's called. Ready to be eaten. Enjoy, Pants.